Tara, let's ride a buggy going to Osaka Castle. Yep, there is a buggy ride going to the Osaka Castle at no need to walk. May bayad to, of course, which is separate from the ticket. 300 yen pag regular adults and 200 yen for children 4 to 12 years old and senior citizens 65 years old and above. Pero mura lang naman to kung tutuusin kaysa maglakad ka for more than 1 kilometer. Hintay talaga ako doon sa spot na pinakita ko kanina para makasave ako ng paglalakad. Para nga palang golf cart yung itsura ng buggy, and there's also a map where you can check the route. Para makita mo rin yung different stops near your train station because different way ang papunta at pabalik. Pero same spot lang din ang last stop. So make sure to check it out also. Maganda nga tong buggy ride, especially pag may kasamahang elders or may mga bata. Kasi hindi na sila mapapagod and nakapasyal ka pa, naka-sightseeing ka na without walking too much. By the way, dyan na yung final stop, which is may konting lakad going to the castle mismo.